Hello guys, have you ever imagined you making money just from doing service, completing simple tasks and doing some micro tasks and make money from it? Don't worry, today in this video I'm going to be showing you a particular site where you can do all this and you get paid in dollars. You surprised? No, you just have to stay tuned and watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you how you can make this money and how you can also withdraw it to your account. Now, if you are new to this channel, please kindly do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because it's very important. Whenever I post a video, you will be the first or second to see it. I jump on the opportunity and you start making money too. Because in this channel, where the family, that is what we do here. We show you ways to make money and create a wealthy family. So as I told you, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money performing surveys, doing simple tasks. Now, without wasting our time, because I don't want this video to be very long, but I will advise you to watch it because it's not about making the money, it's about you withdrawing it, and that's what I'll be showing you in this video. I'll be showing you how to withdraw your money to your wallet. It's not just about making one cloud money, make money that you can withdraw. That's how to watch it because I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw this at the end of the video. Now let's go to this site, and now this I'm going to actually show you how to sign up. The name of the site is timebox.com. Now watch out, timebox.com. Now I have an account here already, but I have to do something. I have to log out so that I can show you how to sign up for an account, how to have your own personal account. Let me log out from this and show you how you can sign up. Now let me go to the sign up button. Let me click the sign up button. You see, the sign up is something you can do within 5 seconds, and it's about you putting your email, probably your password. You put your password, you claim I'm not a robot, and you sign up. Now listen, how do you earn from this site? One, each day we run a competition where the top 100 earners win a nice bonus. Not only that, no approval process required for new sign up. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. I've told you that already. And referral program, we have a referral program, so you will earn commission on everyone you refer and any advertising deposit they make. And now look at the payment. We pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. Now let me log in and show you some things. On how to get the task done, how to do it, how to withdraw your money, method of withdrawal. I'm going to show you where to withdraw the money, and I'm going to show you where I can get your link from. So that's why you have to watch this video, because this video I'm going to be showing you all this at the end of this video. Now let me log into my account. I created this particular account today because for the purpose of this video. I created this account for the purpose of the video. I can see within a few minutes of waiting it, I'll be able to earn some money, which I'm going to show you. Now look at this. Look at what I have in my wallet. Just starting today. Look what I have in my wallet. Now, as I told you, these are the list. 7 minutes ago, this guy took a survey and earned this. Offer was and earned this. You see? Surveys, earn this, surveys, earn this, surveys, earn this, surveys, task, earn this, task, earn this. As I told you, we do survey, we do task, we just different things to make money here. You see, this is a girl earning. So there's no excuse that you are a woman, you want to make money. No, it's wrong. You have to learn how to make money yourself. Now let's look at various ways to earn in this particular site. As I told you, it's not just one way. I have various ways to earn in this particular site. But as I told you, it's not about the earning, it's about the withdrawing. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money. Now look at it. You can earn 2 surveys, 2 content. Now let's share the survey and see what is there. and see the amount of money you can actually make taking survey. Now can you see, this is a survey. All these are surveys that you can do and make money from. You can see those that are taking the opportunity of survey and earn. This is a woman. This is a woman. They have taken this opportunity and have earned money. And you can do content, 2 games, 2 tasks by referring 2 of our work. Can you see? As I told you, I'm actually going to show you how to withdraw your money. You have to listen here and you have to watch this video. You have to be focused so that you actually know how to withdraw your money. Now this is where we go. Let's go to the payment method and let me show you what the payment method is all about. Now how to withdraw. In this site, you don't need to click on withdraw. Your money will be sent to you. Now payment are sent weekly, every Thursday automatically. If you use the $10 minimum payout by the cutoff date, which is Tuesday, New York time, you can see a countdown. You check at the bottom of this video, you actually go to see the countdown. It's actually counting time remaining until invoice cutoff, the time remaining until payment are sent. You can actually see them. Now look at the payment method. They pay through ATM payers, through your Litecoin wallet and Bitcoin wallet. These two you can actually get it from any cryptocurrency site, maybe from your Binance and others. You can actually get it from them. So that is it. But as you can see, in part of the way to earn, they put referrals there. Now let me show you how to get referrals. Let me show you how to get referrals. How to get your link and invite your guys. Now this is it. What you have to do is just to copy this link. Just to copy this link. That's all. Now in this, actually, because people ask me how can I get it, I'm actually drop a link at the description box for you to go straight, get access to this and go straight and sign up for this account and start to make your money immediately. So this is all about the update. If you have any question, please don't forget to drop it at the comment box so that I can attend to every of your question. And if you are confused about a particular thing, drop your question, I will attend to you. And to my new subscribers, you are welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it. I find this video very useful to you. Subscribe, like this video and comment. Share this video to your friends so that they can make, and from there you too you can refer. Thank you and God bless you. Watch out for my next video. It's going to be very epic. Don't miss it. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop this video. Thank you and God bless you.